Subtraction the puzzle. 4 minus 1 is equal 3. 4 minus 1 is equal 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal 1. 4 minus 3 is equal 1. 5 minus 4 is equal 1. 5 minus 4 is equal 1. 2 minus 1 is equal 1. 3 minus 2 is equal 1. 3 minus 2 is equal 1. 5 minus 3 is equal 2. 5 minus 3 is equal 2. 5 minus 2 is equal 3. 5 minus 2 is equal 3. 4 minus 2 is equal 2. 4 minus 2 is equal 2. 5 minus 1 is equal 4. 5 minus 1 is equal 4. 10 minus 5 is equal 5. 10 minus 5 is equal 5.